In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the same ad post ID across different Facebook ads campaigns. This technique can be a real time saver and helps maintain consistency in your advertising efforts. So let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, open up your browser and head over to Facebook Ads Manager. You can easily find it by typing Facebook Ads Manager into Google. Once you're there, look for the option that says Go to Ads Manager and give it a click. If you encounter the login page, enter your email and password as you usually would, and then click Log In. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the campaigns dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your ad campaigns. Look for the All Tools option and click on it. This will reveal a menu where you'll want to find and click on Business Settings. It might take a moment to load, but once you're in, select your preferred account. This is especially important if you manage multiple ad accounts. Next, you'll want to make your way to the Meta Business Suite. Within there, find the Content section and click on it. This is where you'll manage the posts associated with your ads. From here, click on the ad post that you want to use in multiple campaigns. Under the post overview, you'll see the post ID. Copy this ID carefully, as this will be crucial for using the post in other campaigns. Now that you have your post ID, navigate back to the Ads Manager. Inside the Ads Manager, click on Campaigns and then find the Create button. It's time to set up a new campaign. Choose your campaign objective based on what you're aiming to achieve with your ad, and after selecting, click Continue. With the foundation of your campaign set, let's move to the ad level. On the ad setup, click Create Ad, then switch to Use Existing Post. This option is perfect for ensuring that the post ID we copied earlier can be leveraged here. Scroll down until you reach the Ad Creative section. Look for the option to enter post ID, and there you'll go ahead and paste the post ID you've copied. Once you've pasted the post ID, make sure everything looks correct. Then conclude by clicking the Submit button to finalize your setup. This action effectively sets your ad using the same content from your previous campaign, ensuring uniformity in messaging and visuals. And that's it. Following these steps allows you to efficiently apply the same post ID to different Facebook ads campaigns. This approach not only streamlines your advertising process, but also ensures that all your campaigns can deliver a consistent message to your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy advertising.